Welcome Year 8 to this online media arts experience. In this lesson, we're going to learn how to plan, structure, and design media artworks that engage audiences. By the end of this experience, you should be able to select footage that has been captured on camera, edit the footage into a sequence, and apply a soundtrack that matches the edited sequence's pace, rhythm, and style. There are many reasons why individuals and organizations create videos for film, television, and online distribution. Big production companies, for example Disney, which I'm sure you're familiar with, create TV shows and film for their audience's entertainment. Videos can also be created for educational purposes, such as the one you're watching now, or for advertising and creating awareness on a particular issue. Within this online experience, you will get a chance to familiarize yourself with editing clips and using sound and text to deliver a particular message, using only the footage found in the online editor. Before any film project is started, there's a pre-production process which includes planning. Therefore, before you start editing, you'll be guided through a process of establishing, firstly, what is the message you would like your video to send out and who is the audience. What makes your video engaging? Well, good music, choosing the appropriate footage that goes with the message, visual appealing, each shot having a purpose which contributes towards telling your story in some sort of way, and using text can direct the viewer's attention towards your message. I'll now go ahead and show you the quick tutorial on how to use the online editing tool.
In the left-hand toolbar, you want to click Start from Scratch. It will open up your project
The
window.
very top of here is where you can change the name of the video. Top left hand side is where you'll find your toolbar. If you click on footage, this is where you can choose. You see the different categories available to you. You can go through and preview clips by pressing this play button over here. If you're happy with the clip, you add it to the timeline by pressing this plus button. Your timeline is going to be at the bottom of the screen. That clip has been added to our timeline. We're going to add just 2 more. You can add music. Click on the music tab at the top left-hand side corner. If you want to add titles, at the top left-hand corner, you can see where it says title cards. Click on that. Pick a theme color that you like. To move around clips on the timeline, you just drag and drop it where exactly you want it to go. And where it says edit shot, you click on that. If you want to change what the title card says on it, you can change the start and finish by dragging on the right hand side to set how long this clip runs for and what time it will finish.
That should be enough to get you started for now. More instructions will be given to you later in the course. All the best.